Hi everybody, welcome to the first coding for grade 1 class. I am super excited to be here. My name is Amanda Karlitz and I am looking forward to learning to code with you. Let's get started. So at the end of the lesson you will know what coding is, why we need to code and where it can be used. So what is coding that everybody speaks about? Coding, in short, is giving instructions to a computer to do something specific. Have you ever given your younger brother or sister an instruction to do something for you, like, for example, to go and fetch your favorite toy? Or have you asked your grandma to make your favorite sandwich? That is giving instructions. Today, we are going to code our way to the treasure. First of all, we need to figure out how many steps we need to follow to get from the ship to the treasure. Where is the ship? Who knows? Is it here in the bottom corner? Is it in the top corner? Where is it? Is this the ship? Is this the ship? I can see people are saying, no, it's not the ship. Here is the ship. So from the ship, let me just make a circle around it. We are going to count the steps to the first rock. How many steps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps. So we need to tell the computer that it needs to go 4 steps from the ship to the first rock. Now let's see, this is a piece of sand over here. How many steps is it from the piece of sand to the rock? From the rock to the piece of sand. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many steps is it from the piece of sand to the piece of grass? Who can guess? It looks like 7 steps to me. Or is it maybe 2? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we are at the piece of grass. Well done, everyone. Now, our final piece of road to the treasure. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 steps from the piece of grass to the treasure. So we need to learn to break things into smaller tasks, and that would make it easier for us to code. Now, let's go to the next treasure map. Aha, this one looks a bit different. Where is the ship? Is this the ship? Is this the ship? I don't think so. Is this the ship? Nope. Is this the treasure? No. Is it? Yes, it is. What is that? That is like a pirate's flag, so that means it's a road to nowhere. And here is our ship. So let's start. We can go this way around to the ship, after the treasure, or we can go the other way around. This is the shortest route, so I think let's go this way. How many steps is it from the ship to the first cross, which is the treasure? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to reach our treasure. And if we had to go the other way around, what would we need to do? We need to walk all this way. But remember, we need to tell the pirate to turn left or right. So let's go. So the first part is up to these rocks. So let's go 1, 2, 3. And then there's rocks. So we need to tell him to jump over the rocks. Let's jump. And now let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we need to tell it to turn. And now it's turned, and now we count 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's quite easy. Do you agree? Awesome. Now, I am going to give you a bit of homework. Are you ready for homework? Okay, cool. Let's do some homework. Over here, we will see that there's a chair, and then we need to program our little brother or sister to walk around the chair. If you don't have a brother or sister, you can ask mommy or daddy or even the dog or the cat to help you. So what you need to do is you need to put the chair in the middle of a room, and then you ask your brother or sister, let me draw brother or sister, to stand next to the chair. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to tell our brother or sister to stand next to the chair. Then we can tell them to walk to the back of the chair. So now they will be over here. So how many steps do you think would it be from the next to the chair to behind the chair? I think it would be 1 or 2, but that's for you guys to figure out and to come and tell me tomorrow. So we're going to say 1, 2 steps. Now we are behind the chair. What other action can we ask our brother or sister or dog or cat to do? Maybe they can go to the other side of the chair, to the opposite side of where they started. So let's ask them to move here, and then that's also going to be 1, 2 steps to the other side. Now the last thing that we're going to ask of them is to come and stand in the front of the chair. So how many steps would that more or less be? Let's guess. So 1, 2 steps. So your first coding homework for tomorrow is going to be to ask your brother or sister to walk around the chair, and please draw me a map of that as well. If you can draw a map of your whole house and ask people to walk to different areas of the house and then follow instructions as they walk through the house. Is that okay with you? I am looking forward to hearing more about your maps that you've drawn and to see all your awesome artwork. Aha! Before we go, I quickly want to show you a few of the languages that you can find. Just like we in South Africa speak 11 official languages, we can use different languages to tell a computer what to do. One of them is Java, then we've got Python. If you know someone who is a computer programmer or into coding, you can ask them to tell you more about that. And this is what the instructions look like. So that instruction that you gave your little brother or little sister, asking them to turn left, turn right, in a few years' time, you will know how to write code just like this. I am so excited because we are going to learn a bit of this in this class. So, your turn, your homework for tomorrow is draw a map and code your brother or sister to follow the path. Find out about coding languages and come and tell us all about it tomorrow. Is that okay with you? Here is some helpful links if you want to start coding. If you can't wait for tomorrow, I suggest you start with playcodemonkey.com.